How to create blog posts on Instagram. Welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this tutorial, we will figure out how to create blog posts on Instagram. First, make sure that your account is a creator account. To do that, click your profile at the bottom. Next, click the three lines icon at the top right, and then scroll down until you find account type and tools and click it. After that, click switch to professional account. In here, just click continue. Now select blogger in this area and then select creator in this category. Then select not now. Just click the X button at the top left. Now click the plus button and then select post. Select any picture that you want and start to compose your blog. And then after that, click post or publish, and then there, you have now shared your blog on Instagram. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.